Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hakini ki khendiat teo balala, palat laipo tuli kisniang kilayap hakaleng kejela, nakada ko jingpang ka balarim, ya ka balatep kum ka classical swine fever, ne ka hawk cholera. Usembot Menteri Rangba kani kejela ubak Presiden Tensong ubak Pedro ya katnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary haba jubab ya kejingkeli balawan ra da UMLA ke Kongres na Maulai Constituency ubak PT Saukme hapok ka dorbar mangtingka jong ka yeng dorbar thawan kani kejela Meghalaya kabalalong haka arpo trek mentabna jemang araja arpo ubalai to bahagini kisngi kisniang kilayam na kani kejingpang hadian bala pentingkena da ke Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Ubak Presiden Tensong ulai thuru baka sarkar kalayo jingtep halor ka jingyap jongkini kisniang hakini kisngi ha katayo baningkong tat hadu ka katsan terek mentabna jemang arajar arpo shushu nalor kane ula ongru banakini kisniang kibalayam khandai teli ha East Khasi Hills kharar teli ha Ribhoi District Artli ha West Khasi Hills District Southly ha Mairang Civil Subdivision Southly ha West Giant Hills District Uway ha East Garo Hills but Uway ha East Giant Hills District haba pensha shushu halor kani kaman uba Presiden Tensong ula pentikinaru bagi ni kisniang Kim Shem layap satya nakadaw jong ka jingpang African swine fever kumbaja shikiway pat kejela jong kari India.
So briefly, I would like to bring to you information about this was out that during the last week of April 2020, there were reports of initial deaths of pigs, one in Assam and two in Arunachal Pradesh. Later, when these cases were found, we immediately take steps to prevent the spread of the disease, though that time it was not known whether the African swine fever has infected those pigs in these two states or not. Sir, thereafter, there are reported death of 20 pigs in Australia since the first week of May up to 15th of May 2020, and this is wise number of death of pigs are as follows. In East Khasi District, there are 9 cases, Ribhoi District 12, West Khasi District 2, Mairang Subdivision 4, West Giant Hills District 1, East Garo Hills District 1, and East Giant Hills District 1. Scientific postmortem of died pigs was conducted and samples were sent to ICAR Umlang for testing. After the reports received from laboratory tests conducted by ICAR Umlang, most of the deaths reported were attributed to classical swine fever (CSF). Out of 26 pigs died to some other reasons, and out of 22 samples tested, 30 samples tested positive for classical swine fever. Therefore, cause death of pigs in Australia is not due to African swine fever. Classical swine fever is different from African swine fever. Classical swine fever is not a deadly disease. Mortality rate is very low, 1.4%, and vaccines are available for treatment. Both African swine fever and classical swine fever do not spread to human beings. Therefore, there is no threat to their body death. These diseases transmit from farms were available and advised to take adequate measures for strict hygiene and biosecurity and disinfection of the farms. Any signs of high fever and unsuspected or fits should be brought to the notice of district veterinary officer. It was advised that people should pursue only after cooking adequately above 70 Celsius for at least 20 minutes. And 139 rapid response teams was instituted for surveillance. In addition to this, the department is taking several measures to educate farmers about African swine fever, such as SOPs and advisories issued by the department. And it is also available in the website of the department to create awareness. We do have also radio FM broadcast for 1 week. See television broadcast by Doordarshan, Shillong and Tura in 2 languages. All India radio broadcast. Two short documentaries in YouTube. And door-to-door awareness campaign carried out with social distancing as follows. Awareness 5393 farmers. Telephonic briefing 8,885 farmers. And sanitization 699 numbers. 4. Pamphlet distribution to 19,144 numbers in 2 languages. And 5th, inspection of all stores, drink sheds and private park. 3,397 numbers. In addition to that, sir, I would like also to inform to the House that the department is taking all steps to make sure that the fever does not spread within the state of Nepal. And we have also instructed all the veterinary officers in the respective block, in the respective CNI block, that they have to be stationed, they have to be there 24/7, and we requested all the veterinary farmers, in case they have any kind of information or in case they have any suspect relating to their fever, the office of the concerned veterinary officers are always available to attend to this problem. And mobile ambulance in fact are required. In fact, not only that, the farmers, big farmers, whoever set up their own private farming, as far as big is concerned, in fact, instruction has been given for them that in case they have any problem, they can inform directly to the veterinary officers in concerned jurisdiction, and thereafter, chief officers will immediately attend to these issues. So with this few words, I am sure I make the statement as far